I lost all my hair when I had 8 rounds of chemotherapy in April of this year to treat my rare aplastic anemia disease. So UniWigs was kind enough to send me a real human hair wig, and this is my first human hair wig, so I am very excited to try this on. Okay, so this is what it came in. It looks very nice as it came, so oh my goodness, I'm very excited to open this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I love it. This was literally my hair color before I lost it all from my chemotherapy. So, oh my goodness, I'm very excited. She's real human hair, and this is what the inside looks like. It's like lace on the top of your head, and yeah, I really like this. It's very soft. Oh my goodness, and it looks very realistic, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited to have long hair again. Oh my goodness. She also has these straps to adjust it if it's too big for your head, so that's nice. Okay, I'm ready to put this hair on my head. I'm ecstatic. I am very ecstatic at the moment, so I'm gonna have to cut the bangs. They're a little bit long on me. I can't really see. I'm gonna have to like straighten and flatten down the top because it's a little fluffy at the moment, and cut the bangs. I can't really see anything. So I'd say this wig straightens pretty nicely, pretty easily. Goes straight with just one swipe. So I just cut the bangs. I just really like it. It's super soft. I really like it. A lot. Oh my goodness. So I really like this wig a lot. I think it's really cute. So I really like this wig a lot. It has made my day. That's what I can say. So thank you so much, UniWigs, for this wig. I wouldn't have guessed that this is a wig. It looks very real. This is the wig. It's a really nice wig. Very high quality. Very nicely made. I like it a lot. And it's made my day. So thank you once again to UniWigs for sending me this. It is making me feel cute again with long hair. Like, oh my goodness. So I've been wearing this wig every single day from morning to bedtime for the past week, and my final verdict is that I really like this wig a lot. It looks like normal human hair. I really like it a lot because it reminds me of how I cut my hair right before I did my chemo treatment, and I really like that haircut on me, so I really like this wig on me. The bangs. So yeah, I just want to thank UniWigs once again for sending me this wig. It means a lot to me. I highly recommend it, so yeah.